Hi, this is Kate from PageFly. Are you looking to showcase your product list in a dynamic way to increase your conversion rate or upsell and cross-sell your products? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explore the full potential of the Shopify product list in PageFly. Firstly, we need to access the product list. You can access this element by selecting Add Element and switching to the Shopify tab. Here, I will find the product list element and drag it into the editor. Now it's time to explore this element in General tab. 3 options are available to you for the product source. By default, the product source is set to all, displaying all products in your store. Next, you can select a specific collection to display by switch to this option and clicking on Select Collection to choose the desired collection. Finally, Related Products option is for displaying related products within the same collection with the chosen product here. Please note that if you are using collection page type, you can select the product source as auto. And now you can see some options that help you customize the displaying of your product list below. Items per loading means you can change how many items are shown for each loading. The product list element can display up to 50 products at once due to Shopify's constraints. And layout type, there are 2 layouts, which are Grid and Slideshow. When choosing grid layout, you can see loading mode. Here, 3 options for you is None, Pagination, and Load More. When choosing Slideshow layout, you can see the option display partial items. Click here to enable it. When you switch to mobile, it looks like this. To make the product list more appealing, you can customize the style for it. Styling tab allows you to customize the spacing, typography, background, especially if you change content color, you select will be used for the product title, price, and other features. Click on the elements and then pick custom color from the styling menu to choose the exact color for these elements. Switch to Live View to see how the collection images look on your page. Click Save. And when save is done, you will see a Publish button. Click on it. As you can see, the images are perfectly integrated and dynamically display your selected collection. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.